Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Slack workflow automations, full guide step by step clearly. Open your Slack application or navigate to the Slack web version. Log into your account if you haven't already done so. Locate the workspace where the workflow automation is set up. Click on the Workflow Builder option in the sidebar. In the Workflow Builder, you will see a list of existing workflows. Find the specific workflow you wish to disable. Click on the workflow to open its details. In the top right corner, look for the Settings icon. Click on the Settings icon to access additional options. Within the Settings menu, you will see an option to disable the workflow. Click on the Disable button. A confirmation prompt may appear asking if you are sure. Confirm the action by clicking Yes or Disable in the prompt. The workflow will now be disabled successfully. To double-check, you can return to the main Workflow Builder screen. Verify that the status of the workflow has changed to disabled. If you wish to re-enable the workflow later, you can return to this menu. Repeat the previous steps to access the workflow settings again. Then simply click the Enable button when you are ready. You have now learned how to disable Slack workflow automations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.